Welcome back to Booze and Rocks. My name is David Edwards, and today we are going to use these to make the Dark and Stormy. But first, this. So let's get into the history of the Dark and Stormy. In 1806, James Gosling, the son of booze merchant William Gosling, set out for America on the mighty ship Mercury. But after 91 days at sea, their charter expired, so they made port in St. George's, Bermuda. And by the 1860s, the Goslings had created their brand dark rum, and it wasn't called Black Seal at that time. It was actually sold in barrels, and people would bring their old bottles for a fill-up. Talk about environmentally friendly. Now, eventually it was sold in old champagne bottles from the local officers' mess. They corked it and sealed it with black wax. And eventually, it just became Black Seal. But after World War I, the Dark and Stormy was born in the local bars as the sailors realized that rum and ginger beer go together like beer and pretzels. Now, the name of this cocktail comes from a sailor who said that it looks like a cloud that only a fool or a dead man would sail under. And in 1991, Gosling's trademarked the name Dark and Stormy, thereby forcing everybody to use their rum for this drink. Now, if you were to use a different dark rum, it would be called a safe harbor. So let's get into making a Dark and Stormy. Now, this is an old classic cocktail, and what we do is we actually build it directly into our glass, and we're going to use a Collins glass for this. We jab a bunch of ice in there and fill it up and make it look pretty. Okay. And now, our next contact is ginger beer. I'm using Fever Tree ginger beer. It's what I have. And ideally, you want to use 3 to 4 ounces or so. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. And I've just got that here because, yeah, you need a little bit more. Now, what I'm using here is Gosling's Black Seal. So, I was going to use some Gosling's 151 Black Seal, but I'm not stupid. Well, some days I am, but not today. I'm feeling pretty smart today, and I don't feel like, actually having a lot of problems. So what we also need here is 2 ounces or 60 milliliters of this black rum. And these go together really, really well. And look at that gorgeous float. Okay. Now you could add a little bit more, and tell me if you would use a different type of ginger beer and why you would use it. Leave a comment down below, please. Now the next thing that we need is half the juice of a lime, or about half an ounce. So we'll just do this, and we'll just squeeze that in here like so. Because apparently I've lost my juicer someplace. Okay, so looking pretty good so far, isn't it? Now we need a wedge. And this is how we're going to garnish this. We're going to make it look pretty because British sailors and limes go together, hence the name limeys. And look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. A cloud that only a fool would sail under. Let's see how it tastes. Oh, that's a lot of rum. Ooh. It's a good rum, don't get me wrong. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give this a bit of a stir, and I'm going to mix this up so we get a good mixture there. You know what? Oh yeah, I can see why that's a good drink. Not only does it look good, it smells good, it tastes good. Some people will put a little bit of simple syrup in there to try and balance it out, but the lime seems to do that really, really well for me. If you like simple syrup in your drink, let me know down below, please. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the method and the ingredients on how to make this down in the description below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, every time we place up a new video, you get notified. But if you didn't like this video, I didn't do it justice, you didn't find it funny or entertaining, hit the thumbs down button twice. And we'll see you next time. James Gosling, the son of booze merchant William Gosling, set out for America on the mighty ship Mercury. Oh, excuse me, I just belched. Oh, okay. Damn it, I shouldn't have eaten first. Known as Black Seal. After World War I, the Dark and Stormy was born in the Bermuda. By the 1860s, the Goslings had created their branded dark rum. And it wasn't until Fuck. Why can't I speak?